With only 4 ingredients that you probably already have around your house and 5 minutes of your time, you can impress your friends and yourself and make homemade mayonnaise. Mayonnaise is simply an emulsion of oil and egg yolks with a little bit of acidity and salt added to brighten the flavors. Easy! Here are the 4 steps in making homemade mayo. Step 1, separate your eggs. For mayo, you will only need the yolks, but save the whites for another recipe. No wasting. Use room temperature eggs. Cold eggs often result in mayo that won't thicken. Pro tip, it's easier to separate your eggs when they're cold. Step 2, pour fresh lemon juice into the bowl with the egg yolks and whisk well. Adding the lemon juice first helps break down the protein in the eggs. Step 3, slowly start adding in your oil while whisking constantly. Once all the oil is added, the mayonnaise should be thick and fluffy. And season with a little bit of salt. Pro tip, if the mayo is a little too thick for your liking, just add about a teaspoon of water at a time until you get it to the consistency that you do like. Step 4, use it or store your mayonnaise in the fridge in a covered container for up to 3 days. Super easy mayonnaise. And mayo can be a great base for all types of fun spreads, like a quick garlic aioli or chipotle mayonnaise. Check out allrecipes.com for a great list of recipes you can try with this basic base. See you next time. It's amazing!